covering the installation of Rustbusters frame-to-body mount brackets for the YJ Wrangler. Before you begin, if at any point you are uncomfortable with any of the processes, we strongly suggest you seek out the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the required tools listed, and ensure you follow all the manufacturer's safety precautions and operations while using them. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting, and remove any fire hazards from the work area. Step 2. Lift your vehicle and support its rear axle with jack stands for driver and passenger sides. Before you start, ensure you've completed these listed tasks. Step 3. We recommend marking the orientation of the body mount brackets to help position the new mount brackets. Begin cutting away the body mount brackets as close to the frame rails as possible. Step 4. Test fit the parts by holding the new brackets up to the frame rail in line with the orientation lines previously marked. Continue to cut away obstructions if needed. Step 5. Once the part has been fitted, prepare your weld zones by clearing away any rust or debris, revealing bare metal. Tack weld the bracket into place and test fit body bushings and bolt to check its fitment. Step 6. Remove any remaining potential fire hazards on both the vehicle and surrounding area. Following proper welding procedures, begin welding the part onto the frame rails. 100% weld around all edges. Step 7. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Step 8. Begin reassembling your vehicle by starting with the body mount bushings and bolts with a 19mm socket. Reinstall your gas tank, cords, and tubes. Reinstall your wheel and tire. Reconnect your battery, and you're done.